Hi kids, it's Miss Erica here and it's February 1st. So that means we will be starting off Miss Erica's 29 Days of Black Excellence. I'm super excited and we will be starting off with Black Panther, Warriors of Wakanda. T'Challa is the king of the African nation Wakanda. Most of the world knows him as the superhero Black Panther. He uses his amazing strength and speed to protect his people and the powerful metal vibranium. But T'Challa doesn't protect Wakanda by himself. Okoye is the leader of the Dora Milaje. These fierce female warriors protect Wakanda and their king at all times. Ayo assists Okoye in her missions with Black Panther. Shuri is T'Challa's super smart little sister. She never misses a chance to lovingly tease her big brother or arm him with her latest invention. Ramonda is T'Challa's wise mother. Her love and advice help him rule Wakanda. Wakanda is a peaceful kingdom, but when trouble arises, the Dora Milaje race to T'Challa's side. Wakanda's advanced technology allows them to quickly locate any problem. Being a king and a leader is not easy. Black Panther listens to the community's elders and his trusted advisors. With their help, he makes decisions, and then with his fearless friends, he goes wherever he is needed. Threats to Wakanda come in different forms, and sometimes supervillains attack. These bad guys want Wakanda's valuable vibranium and technology for themselves. The villain Claw tries to escape with some high-tech hardware. Claw doesn't get far. Black Panther pursues him. Black Panther faces Claw, and he doesn't fight alone. Shuri, Okoye, and Ayo arrive. Shuri uses the energy emitter she invented. Zwap! It throws Claw off balance. Okoye and Ayo race into battle. They are ready to fight if Claw won't surrender peacefully. Claw is no match for the brave warriors of Wakanda. Working together, they quickly take down the villain. T'Challa smiles at Shuri. Teamwork wins again. The crowd cheers when Black Panther and the Dora Milaje return to the palace. T'Challa's mother proudly greets him, the hero and king. Thanks to Black Panther and the warriors of Wakanda, the sun will always shine on the people in their land. Wakanda forever! And that's the end of our read-along for today. Black Panther, Warriors of Wakanda. I love you all so very much. Most importantly, Jesus loves you, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye, y'all.